Hey guys, it's Andrea here from Crafter Support. Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you guys how to use the Mermaid Dreams Paper Studio Pack to make some really cute treat holders. So I have this small one, which is a water bottle. It's like a plastic water goblet. And then I have the taller one, which is the wine goblet from the Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 for five. And like I said, I'm using the paper pack. I have a video up on this one. It's the video right before this. So definitely check that out if you missed it. It comes with stickers and ephemera and beautiful paper. So what we're going to work with today is just the stickers. So my whole goal is to show you just how much you can make with a pack for $5.99 from Hobby Lobby. All the different things you can make. I'm going to have different videos up for you guys. So this particular video is just to make these cupcake treat holders. I was hired right before I closed my business. I was hired to make a 75th birthday party cupcake holders, and I showed them different ideas, and the wine glass was the one that they chose. And so they come in a pack like this. They're at the Dollar Tree. They're in with all of the like plastic bowls and spoons and things like that. And you get 5 for $1.25. So you really can't beat that. Inexpensive. And also we're going to do is add a cute sticker, and then we're going to add some fill from the Dollar Tree as well. So we're using the water one, the water goblet, which is much shorter with a stubby stem, and then the wine goblet or the wine stemmed glass, whatever you want to call it, that's plastic. So the first thing I'm doing is just picking out the sticker that I'm going to use, and I just want to use a cute little square sticker. I didn't want to make it too busy because we're going to put this blue fill down inside of it. So the blue kind of matches with this, and it's going to really show it off. And what you do is you use that to kind of like do what it's called to fill it up and make it easier to put snacks inside and make it hold up. So once you see me fill it up, you'll understand. So now I'm just lining it up with my mat underneath and trying to get it straight. So I look at it, I'm like, yeah, that looks pretty good. So that's it. And this makes a really, really cute one. So I found this idea on Pinterest. I saw one for the 4th of July, but you just put the fill in it, and then you can put like whatever you want down inside of it as well. So the one idea was you put like loose candy, like say you dumped M&Ms in the bottom of it, and then you take a cupcake and set the cupcake down inside of it, and the cupcake sticks out over it and it looks so cute. But this one, my daughter had some candy, and I'm just putting some candy in it, and it looks super cute. You could use it for birthday parties or any little summer get together you have. It's inexpensive, it's cute, it's fun. Can't beat inexpensive and cute, right? So we just have some Krabby Patties, a ring pop, and I don't know what that thing is, Laffy Taffy. But doesn't it look so cute? And then you could just sit this out at their place setting, or you could sit it out on the picnic table, and the kids can come out and get their little party favor. Or you could make this super glamorous, and you could do like decorate the stem itself. For the ones for the 75th birthday party, I put like a lavender ribbon on it. You could decorate the bottom with gems. You could put, and there's gems in this paper kit too we could have used. But I just wanted to give you an idea. These stickers as well are super cute. They almost have, like when I was putting them on the cups, I realized it's almost see-through. Like it's almost like a clear, almost like rubbery feeling of paper, of sticker paper. It's just different, and I really like it. I think it's well made. It's super thin, so it's not like bulky. It doesn't stick up real high. But yeah, so a very easy, inexpensive way to make a party favor. Now I put this one down, and this water goblet has like edges, so like it has a decoration around it, but the sticker fit on perfectly. It looks super cute. I just had to reline it up a little better to make it straight. Okay, so now this one I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the fill in, but this would be super cute if you made like that dirt. I think it's called dirt. It's where you put like the crumble cookies, the white mixture, and you do the layers almost like a parfait. That would be super cute in these too. And they're not huge, so it wouldn't take a lot to make them. So if you're having a little kid's birthday party or a little get together, I just think that would be really sweet to set out, and it would just be something fun that you could share with all of your guests. So like I said, inexpensive, $1.25 for 5, and you could add whatever you want into them. So here they are, and they're super cute. I know I keep saying that, but they really are so cute. You could put more stickers on it if you'd like, but I want to see just how many actual nice things I can make with this paper pack. So the one thing that I noticed, what I was looking for was which one I would use, like, say, for my kids. So that's whenever I pulled out the water goblet one, and I think I would use that one more than the stemmed one. I think the stemmed one, the wine one, I guess it is, or maybe champagne, I forget what it's called. That one's more for, like, I think when I look at it, I think more of like a fancy party, but the little water goblet one is super cute that I think I would use the most of. So I'm just putting an initial on it. So I'm putting an A for Andrea, and I think it looks so pretty. And you could put names on these. You could use your Cricut if you don't have, like, if you don't have this pack and you wanted to put something on these, use your Cricut and cut something out. You're not like, or just go buy stickers, or maybe you have stickers at home. There's not really a one thing fits all. Like, you can make whatever you want with it. You can make it look as cute as you'd like. So I kind of feel like I'm rambling now, but I just wanted to share with you guys this cute idea. You could put this in a plastic bag, like in one of the clear party bags, and tie a little bow at the top. Presentation is pretty much everything. So I just like it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you all have a great day. I have some pictures here at the end that hopefully show you a little bit better what they look like front facing, but aren't they so cute? I really like them. All right, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.